Four important in life that changed my mentality. 1. Don't be afraid to spend money in food, travel, and for personal needs. So what if they say that you're so extravagant? Anyway, it's your life, not them. Money can find, but you cannot go back when time passes. Number 2. Believing that the right person will just come to you. You are the one who chooses who's the right person to you. In reality, that the right person is just around the corner, waiting for the opportunities to come to your life. Don't spend time to the right person, but stay to the right person who chooses you and willing